I would think it's about 2,000 gallons there, 1,000 gallons, huh? What do you think? 1,000? I feel like a movie star. I'm a model, you know what I mean? I'm gonna do my little turn on the kettle. On the kettle.
You're still in high school, Tony.
Oh.
Snap out of it.
Chickens kick ass.
Joe.
Pulling our butt. I got my hand in the
Where are you? I'm in school. I know that. Hell no, you're not studying.
Hold the dough. You're pony dough. That's what you're doing. That's my job. Pony dough.
I want the...
Yes, we're gonna build us a house.
Okay, let me pet.
Look at there's the other one. Whoa, hello. Big llama.
Is this all we have here?
No, there's a pig and 2 chickens.
A pig.
In the back of the
That's
truck.
perfect.
I got me a big
Okay. Can I pet him?
He's wet. You ready, big guy? Don't spit on me.
Oh, you guys, this is so cool, though.
You can only smell it.
He's so cute. Can you do me a favor?
Sure.
Tie this tighter. Thanks.
Do you want it tied up again?
Check it. That's the chickenage.
Is that the way you're supposed to hold chicken?
Yeah, isn't it rad? Isn't it cool?
Oh, shoot. I'm sorry.
I like these guys.
You made me step on the goat.
Let me go.
How does this guy do it?
Oh, he's so cute.
Really? You don't have like a little leash for this guy?
It's a girl boy. He just walks along.
Follow you?
Yes.
Wow.
Can we just take the whole cage thing? No, it's too big.
She said, bullshit, I'll stay in my cage. I ain't gonna
First day of school, you know.
Come on, piggy.
Okay, like, we're gonna go see what's going on inside, okay? Okay. So this is what the parking lot looks with no cars. Coolness. Check back inside. Ooh. In proper place. Wonder where they...
Look at that.
What do you got there?
It's a llama.
Cool.
Have you seen your mascot? How many llamas? That thing's got Okay, let us in.
Oh, he's fine, George. Over there. On this side, Tony.
How you doing, Wally?
It's private, Steve.
Watch that. Watch that.
Oh,
You fucking Steve.
come on, back here. The piggy's coming. Oh, piggy.
I'm afraid to be behind a butt that big. Not you, the animal. Just joking.
Watch your step.
You guys want to kill these animals with that big step there. Poor chickens.
Yeah.
What happened? The reaction?
Oh, God. This is so cool.
Hi, Debbie.
This is so cool. I
What you got? Hey, Biggie. He's got a problem with that, man. Is your first wife over there? Yeah, that's my first wife. First wife? Come here, Judy. Let me see you. Hi, Mikey. It reeks in here, man. Yeah, well.
Hey, you want to hold the pig down and put on a Mr. Cake?
You guys?
You what? Can we draw on your animals? Can we draw on your animals? No.
You're gonna draw. You're drawing a pig.
We can ride the pig?
Oh, yeah, draw on the pig.
We can draw.
He said we could. There's Mr. Casey. Hi, Mr. Casey. Hi, Mr. Casey. Say hi, Mr. Casey. What's Mr. Casey? There's our friendly security guard. Way back. Hi, Aaron. Say hi, Aaron. Oh, she's petting him. You were taking a shit on your foot. How you hold the pig still? There's Joe. Hi, Joe. Hi, Joe. Hi, Joe. No, the pig. There's Mr. Casey. There's Mr. Casey. Christy's petting Mr. Casey.
You gotta hold the pig. Hold it. You're so rude. Wait, come here, corner him. Get him.
Slow down, slow down. You're scared. Huh?
Come on, Judy, be quiet. Hey, this is a stepping stone. The llama's going to be the difficult one to keep in, I think.
Yeah, make him a little.
He might be a pessimist inside. This fence sucks. I'm out of here.
Oh, you ran calm down, baby.
Natural star. No, you can't have any Fruit Loops. You smell like my dog when he's wet. He's molesting Farmer Bob.
Oh, you should have had this little, he just done a flip up of there. And he done a furling whip.
Okay, so he'll just have to wait.
Risky little son of a gun.
Who's going to be able to stay here?
Keep going. Goody.
Moore's not leaving.
Farmer Bob.
Want to get the dustpan?
Farmer Bob. Eater outer, eater outer. They just kind of hang out.
Look, it's my name. It's Tony's name.
Aaron and Tony.
I don't think so. Joe's. Joe's what? We don't need no what?
Education.
Oh.
Yeehaw.
Yeehaw. Okay, what do we got over here?
Oh,
Check it.
oh.
Body
Oh,
drying. Freshman died here.
Freshman.
Okay. Farmers are cool. Okay, let's go over here. Whoops, sorry. Okay, wait, hold on.
Junior entrance 94. That means you.
Well, we had to go over that one.
And Christy, friends forever. I keep writing that. 94 rule. Ninja cats.
Okay.
Funky chicken. Class of 94. No one can eat 58.
What is this? Oh, okay.
Yeehaw!
You know what's my favorite?
Huh.
Right over here. Kill your TV.
Morning. 94.
I like this.
We never did this, neither did Buddy.
Check this. Check what we did. Ready?
Arm out.
We did that one. Then we did this. Does not look.
I saw that earlier. Are you recording all this?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. Hi, people watching.
Max.
The
Farm.
Farm 94. 94. The last single graduation class of
Ooh, yeah.
CHS rocks all night long. School Fun Farm.
Thank you.
We love you, man.
shots. Catch that to our farm. Okay, now. Rescue rock south out of... Oh, you have chalk with you? This. Cool. Okay. Let's check out the front of the school, want to? Sure. All of those doors are like covered. Okay. How much do they pay?
Nothing.
Strong baby.
These guys rock the house. Look it! I start petting him and he quit staring at me. Because he fell on his butt and he was pooping. You can cut some. How can he put it on stick? That's not a stick. You guys do it. We all fell here.
I wouldn't even care.
Do you think they make us go to class if we fall asleep?
Hi. I'm tired. How are you?
Did you do that?
I think you just got goose. No, the llama did it.
Yeah. It wasn't me.
Everybody give me the claw, Aaron! I've had it with you!
I mean, the lava's warm. You just gotta take that whole blanket.
I'm like ready to crawl in. He's ready to crawl in the crack.
Why not go?